Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we will share the details for the For Honor error code 000201503. The error reads, "This matchmaking is not ready." Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to join a match, but the connection gets disrupted before the match even starts. After that, they are unable to join any further matches unless they quit and restart the game. According to our research, the error likely happens because of connectivity issues, server problems, or file corruption. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to disconnect your device from the internet. Then wait for a few seconds and then reconnect. This will force the game to reconnect to the servers. After that, launch the game and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then restart your gaming device along with your network. Simply turn off your console or PC as well as your router. Then unplug them from the power source. Then wait for a few minutes and then power them back on. Then check for the error again. If the error continues and you are on PC, then try verifying the file integrity through Steam. Simply go to your Steam library and right-click on For Honor and select Properties, then go to the Local Files tab and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. Then wait for the process to finish and check if this resolves the error. If the error still persists, then it might be because of server maintenance. In that case, wait for some time and try again later. At last, if the error continues for too long, then try uninstalling and reinstalling the game. But keep in mind that many users shared that the fix was only temporary, so do this only if you have tried all other steps. Also, before uninstalling, make sure to back up any important game data that might be deleted during the process. After reinstalling, check if the error still comes. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.